Today we are gonna make an Egyptian hawaawshi. It's the easiest thing ever to make, but so delicious. Like everything else, hawaawshi has a lot of variations, but I'm gonna show you my favorite one. And we can start with the meat filling. We need only beef minced meat, green paprika, and onions. You need to cut your paprika and onions into very small pieces so they will blend well with the meat. I am gonna blend them literally, even with the machine. I am gonna season my meat with salt, pepper, minced meat seasoning, and nutmeg. Just mix it all together. And now just let it sit in a fridge for 1 hour. As our meat has seasoned, we are gonna put it inside a pita bread. You can use either a store-bought one or make one yourself. If you would like to know how to make a pita bread at home easily, let me know in the comments. Now just open a pocket in a bread, as you see that I did here. Take some meat stuff mix and put it inside flatly. But make sure that every corner has meat, because it will shrink in the oven, like this, you see here. Let's brush our bread with a bit of oil, so it will not burn, and the oil will give it a bit of shiny crisp. Flip your bread, and brush with oil from the other side too. It's time to put our hawaawshi in the oven. It will be in 180 degrees and 10 minutes from both sides. Let's flip our bread and put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, our hawaawshi is out of the oven. For the best experience, serve it with tahina sauce and pickles. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.